Hello everyone, Ra Saint here with Legacy Futures Trading Group for VanLife Day Traders. Today is Monday, June 9th, 2025. It's 11:19 in the morning. And we took a really great trade here today. Now today was a little different. Okay? The trade you're gonna see, it's another you're gonna watch it. The thing is, I was trading with a friend. He also trades the NASDAQ, so we're testing a live trade analysis, and we talk a few stuff about what's going on with our lives in the world, in the van life. So let me know. I mean, it's the first time we had this collaboration, and well, at least the trading went really awesome. We had a great setup. The analysis was right on point. So watch the video and let me know what you think. Let me know in the comments. Please subscribe, share, and like. And let me know in the comments how your weekend was. I talk about that in the video. And what are you expecting for this week? Alright, enjoy the video. Okay, so we have a push to the upside, pop market reaching resistance zone here. Market bouncing, it's 950. I don't know. And we have a resistance zone here, support zone here. Wow. We have a main entry level and we have a minor entry level, which is not gonna be valid pretty soon. We have here a lot of sideways indecision. And let's see if market keeps pushing. I am going to place here a resistance trend line, and then I take profit. Get this out of the way. So we could grab around a few points there. Now that's 120. Okay. Yeah, that's basically the analysis we have right now.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Okay, no. Okay. We got a few minutes. I'm sorry, I'm working with like 17 windows at the same time. You know that happens. Uh-oh.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Okay, I bought. It's a lot of risk under that pivot, but market should push to the upside. And we can grab out of this move in at 11:31. That could be a 40-point trade. So I would have loved to wait for the next candle opening, but this is a minor entry level, and market could keep on going pushing. They're already testing that high, those bunch of highs they have there, and the difference between these failed highs and why I decided to buy was because this big bounce of the support zone. Okay, they are retesting that resistance zone, but they already bounce off the support, so this resistance zone ain't that strong right now, in my opinion. This is my opinion and my opinion only. Okay, we're just analyzing the market here, not financial advice. Yes, because we don't wanna get sued or shut down. So that's important. What are you doing there, Ricky?
I'm sorry?
What are you seeing there? Because I know we use different strategies to analyze the market, and those are fine. Okay, everyone has its own trading book.
No, I'm saying that we're going sideways since like around 7:15 or so.
Yeah, that's what's been happening.
Yeah,
absolutely.
So it's just, now we're just chomping inside the 15-minute range. Oh, you're almost not gonna make it.
Yeah, I don't like the entry. I don't like the timing. I wish it was 10 in the morning, but it is what it is.
I was looking also at the daily. The daily's showing that it hasn't moved at all. There was no move overnight or anything like that. It's like 108 points. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, that we're sitting in the same place that we've been sitting at since, like, before 7:15 or something.
Yep, but it should start moving pretty soon.
So, you could play that range and trade it, but it's just like 10 points. From like, mostly from like 800 to like 815 or so.
That range should break.
Yeah, no, I know it's gonna break, and it should break. Mm-hmm. But right now, that's what I'm saying, that it's trying to push up, but it's still sitting in the same place.
Well, let me post this here. Okay, so we have here a lower minor entry level, which I don't like. I would have rather market a minor entry level to stay where it was around here. And market's still having some trouble at that resistance zone. We have an indecision because we have a support zone, we have a resistance zone. They should break one or the other. I took a chance here because I really think they're going to push towards that target, but I like trading from zone to zone. Support to resistance, resistance to support, with minor, major, or main entry levels in between. That ship has sailed, and we have here our target zone way up here. Let me move it. 47 full up. which I don't know if it's gonna reach. They might at least retest this high, but until they break that higher high, it's gonna be choppy. And it's gonna be scary, but hopefully they'll keep on pushing.
You know, when it breaks, it's gonna break. I think it's gonna run.
It should, yeah. Or buyers are gonna get tired of trying to push, and then they're gonna bail out, and the market's just gonna drop.
Yeah, either way, in whatever direction it takes, I'm thinking it's gonna move. We gotta do something. I mean, it's just been sitting here since 7:30.
Mm-hmm. This is a 5-minute chart, actually, what I'm looking at. Let's see who's texting. So I went fishing. Well, we went fishing, but we didn't do any fishing actually.
Well, you went out with the intention of fishing.
With the intention, yeah. And then we got to New Smyrna Beach. My friend got some squids.
Oh, by the Ponce Inlet?
Yeah, near there. No. Just right when you get in New Smyrna, we didn't cross the bridge. And she got some squids because there wasn't any shrimp. I don't like squids, but anyway. Then she said, well, let's go to Playa Linda. I'm like, why? We're here. New Smyrna is really awesome. And anyway, we ended up going to Playa Linda and, well, paid a bunch of money to get in there. And we didn't get to fish. We just had a nice time there at the beach. Come on, break that high. They need to break this high.
It looks like it wants to. I'm looking at my channels here. It looks like it wants to. It's trying.
Yeah.
It's breaking. It's
go.
trying to push. Yeah,
Target.
there it goes.
Catching, target field. Well, that was exciting. And yeah, nailed on the. I don't even any explanation you need from me, because I mean it went nicely. The thing here, the way I
That's very technical.
the way I teach my legacy futures trading strategy is based on certain things that I look at the market, and right now it's not doing anything. I mean, if we go to the 1 hour chart, let me finish this first. I'm sorry. And I think I have another order running. Okay. No. Let me. I have to set up everything here because I don't know what's going on.
Yes, you seem very confused.
I'm not used to working with
Order filled.
different orders with different accounts and different things. Anyway, let's do this. So this took 10 minutes, less than 10 minutes. We have the NASDAQ buy setup. I apologize, I'm also doing my recording my YouTube video, so that's why it's kind of confusing. And 3, yeah, people are gonna say, what the heck's going on here? 21, 8, 13. 25. Pop. We have target. We have two contracts at 21, 826. Pop. And that is 13 and 16, 13 and 26, that's 13, that's 12 and 3/4 points, 12.75 points. We have to, no puede ser. I messed this up.
Oh!
Where are you?
It went away.
No, the chart.
Yeah, the chart disappeared.
Yeah, it disappeared here too. It's gone. It is gone. So again, we have NASDAQ buy setup. We have entry. We have two contracts at 21, 8, 13, 25. We have target. We have two at 21, 8, 26. 4, 12, 75 puts. Total trade. That's ¿cuánto? 25.50. Right? 25.50 points, which equals 500 and 510. Why? Because ¿por qué? Because we know market gives 20 bucks per NASDAQ point. Boom. So price action. I already mentioned that, but here 15 minutes. Okay. Market. Market was coming from a bullish run, reached that main entry level, bounce right back to that support zone. I mean, if we extend that support zone, we see that it hit that support zone, but it didn't went straight, but retested the high and then reached resistance zone here. That's why we have all that sideways move. Of course, when you see it after it happens, it's easy to identify, right? But when market came back down at the opening, pop, took this low, took this previous low, or retested it, and then the reaction after hitting that support zone, that it bounced really quickly, okay, almost towards the main entry level again. That was my signal that market was highly probable that they were going to reach target. Yep. And that's exactly what happened. And that's it. That's all I have for today, bro.
Nice.
Yeah. So now after we took this trade, this is, if I would be looking for a second trade, which I'm probably not, because I already reached my trading goal with my trading plan for the day. But if I was gonna continue trading, we have a low here, we have a high here, and this is not a high actually yet. I need to see a high. We have a lower low, we have a higher high. If you don't know what higher highs and lower lows are, send me a message. I will gladly either make a video of that for you, or just let me know. Okay, so we don't know, I don't know if market is gonna keep pushing to the upside. Market already hit a target zone. When market hits target zones, what happens? Usually they turn around. They could be pushing for higher target or resistance zones, but I don't have them. And well, I need at some point market is gonna retrace or it's gonna reverse. We don't know. We don't have any information. The only information that we have is uncertainty, because we don't know when market is going to reverse. They might be reversing right now. So I'm gonna get out of here. This retracement could take maybe 45 minutes, 1 hour, I don't know. Then a second consolidation, that's an hour or so. So we're looking at 2 to 3 hours here, waiting for what? Waiting for nothing, because we don't have the elements per my legacy futures trading strategy. So that's it, we're done. I'll see you again tomorrow. Wanna learn my trading strategy? You wanna join our trading group? Questions, comments, complaints, jokes, you know what to do. Saint Legacy Futures Trading Group. You have a great one. Catch me.